Hey there, welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the latest and most efficient tools for your air conditioning needs. In today's video, we'll be exploring the world of AC compressors. Whether you're a homeowner, a FAC technician, or a business owner, you're in the right place. I've handpicked the top 5 AC compressors for 2023 that offer reliability, performance, and cooling power. Links to all the compressors mentioned can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the best tools for your air conditioning solutions. Let's dive into the world of cooling comfort with these top-notch AC compressors. Starting at number 5, Tokit's CSE613 Ac Compressor. The Tokit's AC Compressor is a reliable and compatible air conditioning compressor designed for various vehicle models. With its open-type shell design and 6P grooves, it provides efficient and effective cooling performance. Featuring ohm numbers 64 billion, 529 million, 182,793, 64 billion, 509 million, 156,821, and 64 billion, 526 million, 915,380. This compressor ensures a proper fit and compatibility with specific vehicle models. Its CSE613 compressor type and 12V voltage guarantee reliable and smooth operation. With its easy installation and compact design, the Tokit's AC Compressor is suitable for dye enthusiasts and mechanics looking for a cost-effective and dependable replacement. For potential buyers seeking a reliable air conditioning compressor that fits multiple vehicle models, the Tokit's AC Compressor offers a practical and efficient solution for maintaining a comfortable and cool driving experience. At number 4, DR-ACCP003 Ac Compressor. The DR-ACCP003 Ac Compressor is a dependable cooling system component suitable for various view models, including Beetle, Kicks, Golf, Tiguan, Passat, and Chiron. With its 12V voltage and closed-type shell design, it ensures efficient and effective cooling for your vehicle's interior. Constructed from high-quality metal and plastic materials, this compressor is built to last and withstand various environmental conditions. Its compatibility with ohm part numbers 1K820803, 1K0820859Q, 1K0820803G, and 1K0820808 ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. With a warranty of 3 years or 30,000 kilometers, the DR-ACCP003 Ac Compressor provides peace of mind for potential buyers, assuring them of its quality and performance. Whether you're a car owner looking to replace a worn-out compressor or a professional mechanic in need of a reliable cooling system component, the DR-ACCP003 Ac Compressor is a suitable choice that guarantees performance and longevity. At number 3, 64 billion, 529 million, 182,793, 64 billion, 509 million, 156,821 acres compressor. The 64 billion, 529 million, 182,793, 64 billion, 509 million, 156,821 acres compressor is a reliable air conditioning compressor designed for compatibility with various vehicle models. Its open-type shell design ensures efficient cooling and performance. With ohm numbers 64 billion, 529 million, 182,793, and 64 billion, 509 million, 156,821. This compressor guarantees a proper fit and compatibility with specific vehicle models. Its CSE613 compressor type and 12V voltage ensure optimal cooling performance for your car's air conditioning system. The compressor's 6P grooves and high-quality construction ensure smooth and reliable operation, even in demanding conditions. Its easy installation makes it suitable for dye enthusiasts and mechanics alike. For potential buyers looking to replace their faulty air conditioning compressor or perform maintenance on their vehicle's AC system, the 64 billion, 529 million, 182,793,509,156,821 acres compressor offers a reliable and cost-effective solution. At number 2, Vever 3450 revolutions per minute AC Compressor. The Vever 3450 revolutions per minute AC Compressor is a high-powered and efficient AC motor suitable for various applications. With a single-phase operation and a voltage range of 208 to 230 V, it ensures stable and reliable performance. Constructed from sturdy steel material and featuring an op enclosure type, this AC motor is built for durability and safety. Its output power of 5 EP and a maximum speed of 3,450 revolutions per minute make it suitable for demanding tasks, such as operating compressors and pumps. The motor's reversible/non-reversible feature provides flexibility in installation and operation. Its compact frame size of 143/5 ensures easy integration into existing systems. For potential buyers looking for a powerful and dependable AC motor for industrial or home applications, the Vever 3450 revolutions per minute AC Compressor offers excellent performance and efficiency. At number 1, Happy Touring Labs 24 Acres Compressor. The Happy Touring AC Compressor is a reliable and efficient auto AC compressor designed to meet the cooling needs of your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter W906. With its 7SU17 CSE613 compressor type and 12 V voltage, it ensures optimal performance and smooth operation. Constructed from durable iron material, this compressor is built to last and withstand various driving conditions. Its own part numbers a 0022,301,911, a 0022,307,211, 0022,307,211, and Z0007,512. A guarantee a perfect fit and compatibility with your vehicle. With a refrigerant of R134, the Happy Touring AC Compressor complies with modern environmental standards while providing effective cooling for your vehicle's interior. Its application covers multiple years of Mercedes-Benz Sprinter W906, making it a versatile choice for potential buyers with compatible vehicle models. Whether you're a car owner seeking a reliable replacement or a mechanic looking for a quality auto AC compressor, the Happy Touring AC Compressor offers excellent performance and value for money.